Hello everyone, this is Beverly. I'm here to talk about case study 4.1, nutrition during pregnancy. Ms. Liederman has been a vegan since she's 16 years old. She's now 32 years old and pregnant. She's hired a dietitian to assess whether she's meeting the nutritional needs as a vegan pregnant mother. The initial dietary analysis provides the following data. She consumes 2,237 calories, of which 71 grams are protein, 15.2 grams are linoleic acid, 0.54 is alpha-linoleic acid. She's consuming 2.1 micrograms of vitamin B12, 3 micrograms of vitamin D, and 15 milligrams of zinc. The first question of the case study asks whether Ms. Liederman is meeting the protein standard, the DRI standard. And she is. She's consumed 71 grams of protein, which is the DRI standard, primarily because she's been eating complete proteins by combining dried beans and grain, which do make up a complete protein food. The second question is what foods that are not making the DRI standard? And there are 3 of those. She is not consuming sufficient alpha-linoleic acid. It's 0.54 versus the standard of 1.4 grams. She's also not meeting the vitamin B12 standard since her intake is 2.1 micrograms versus 2.6 micrograms. And her vitamin D intake is very subpar at 3 micrograms versus 15 micrograms. The third question is, name 3 types of foods that would help Ms. Liederman to bring up her intake in those areas that she has a shortfall. For alpha-linoleic acid, she can eat flax seeds, Brussels sprouts, or walnuts. For vitamin B12, that particular nutrient is animal derived, so she can only intake it through supplements. With vitamin D, she has a couple of options of eating fortified cereals, drinking nut milks such as almond milk or soy milk, and then there's also fortified orange juice. The case study 4.1. Thank you everyone for listening.